The vessel is identified as Motor Vessel Cueva, who is close approaching port of Busan, South Korea.
Port service, this is MV Cueva. How do you read me? Over. Stop.
MV Cueva, this is port service. I read you good. Change to channel 12, over.
Port service, this is MV Cueva. Change to channel 12, over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. What is your ETA at pilot station? Over.
Port service, my ETA at pilot station is at 2200 hours local time, over.
MV Cueva, what is your call sign? Over.
Port service, my call sign is Delta Whiskey Kilo Eco 7, over.
MV Cueva, what is your last port of call and gross tonnage? Over.
Port service, my last port call was Canada and my gross tonnage is 49255, over.
MV Cueva, are you carrying dangerous goods? Over.
Port service, we do not carry dangerous goods, over.
MV Cueva, your message is loud and clear. You must call when you pass the Buoy Delta Romeo 4 on channel 12, over.
Port service, we will call when we pass Buoy Delta Romeo 4 on channel 12, over.
MV Cueva, standby on channel 12, out.
Port service, this is MV Cueva, over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. I read you loud and clear. Go ahead, over.
Port service, we are passing reporting point Delta at 2115 hours local time, over.
MV Cueva, I read you loud and clear. You must call when you berth at Pier 3, over.
Port service, we read you loud and clear. We will call when we berth at Pier 3, over. Port service, we drop anchor at pilot station Western Delta bearing 275, over.
MV Cueva, I read you loud and clear. Stand by at channel 12 for next instruction, over. MV Cueva, I read you loud and clear. Stand by at channel 12 for next instruction, over.
Port service, this is MV Cueva, proceed, over.
MV Cueva, stand by on channel 12, over. MV Cueva, stand by on channel 12, out.